So, everyone has realized that AI is the future, automation is the future, but not many people know how to exactly use it to scale their agencies past six figures, basically, make thousands of dollars per month using AI. Now, I've seen this on the internet a lot of times. People are stuck building end-to-end flows, workflows that are very, very developer based and they do nothing. I have seen YouTube videos, I've seen LinkedIn posts, I've seen X tweets, I've seen Instagram posts even selling these end-to-end workflows which actually do nothing for anyone. I've seen a lot of people build go high level automations, flows with hundreds of steps, which actually amount to nothing at the end. They're all almost manual. Now, I've also seen people building AI agents, selling them for like 5,000, 8,000, $10,000 per month to different companies. The thing is, the AI agents aren't really well trained enough to act on a human level, right? So, all of these things account for nothing almost. So, with that, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, I am Prakhar. I'm the co founder at Cindy. I work around sales, product marketing, growth, community development, product design, and management at Cindy, basically all the business aspects. And we have found exactly how you could get 20 to 30 qualified calls per month using AI through LinkedIn. Now, today I will be going to walk you exactly through how to do it, how I do it, and all of that for less than $100 a month compared to those $1,000 going down the gutter. And no, this won't get you banned on LinkedIn, and this won't take hours and hours of manual sending. So, with that, let's get started quickly. So, yeah, let's focus on the old automation ways first, and then we'll jump to the newer ones. So, the old automation ways have generic messages, and the biggest issue, high ban rates. Now, generic messages get you low response rates and even lower conversion rates, and high ban rates lead to lifetime authority issues. Basically, your LinkedIn account is a very sacred thing, you should treat it like one. Now, the new AI automation way that we have built has AI personalized messages. So basically, it caters to each and every prospect uniquely. Every single message is researched around and sent to the prospect. Every single message is different, every single conversation is different. That leads to human like behavior and that leads to real conversations. Now, in the traditional or manual way, has 2 to 3 hours of lead qualification and sending. Basically, lead qualification means making your prospect lists. That takes a lot of time. And then sending, messages to each and every prospect, that takes even more time because every single message, if you want to cater it to that prospect, you'll need to research around that. So, well, that's something that takes a lot of time, and well, it's very repetitive, it's very boring, it takes your real talent away, and that results in like 1 or 2 calls a week. So basically 5 to 10% response rate, 1 to 2% booking rate. That's bullshit, right? Now, the new automated system, the interface, the product that we have built, that's called Cindy.io. It has 10 minutes of lead qualification, basically a very quick lead list making process. That too will be done by AI in the next couple of weeks. Right now, it's a little bit manual, but yeah, that's pretty quick. And then 30 minutes of sending and replying to positive replies. So basically, the sending doesn't really need any time. You don't even need to touch your Mac for that moment. You just need to have some inbox manager, or you could reply to the positive ones on your own, and you could get up to 6 to 10 calls a week. That's almost a guarantee from my end. Now, this leads to 35% plus response rate and 10 to 15% booking rate. And if you are into the sales systems, this is way above the industry standard. So, well, yeah, now that I have talked so much about why using AI to sign up clients from LinkedIn is so important, let me show you how exactly I use my own platform to do that. So, yeah, this is my platform. This is called Cindy.io. It's a very easy, very good looking, very easy to use interface. And if you see, the results speak for themselves. This is just the last 1 week, I think. Yeah, September 12 to September 19. And you can see the number of accepted requests are 259, and we have 124 people in our inboxes. In with just 3 accounts running, we have more than 120 people in our inboxes. So, well, yeah, now this is much above the industry level, which you wouldn't really get through any other automations. Let me quickly show you how I exactly do it. So let's see one of my campaigns. So yeah, every single campaign is performing pretty well up till now. So if you see this campaign, this was through Anjana's account. So sent 307, 148 got accepted, and 87 got replied to. These are LinkedIn connection requests. So basically, these are all new people that are being reached out to. 87 replies in 1.5 week. Basically, you have 87 people in your inboxes. So that's crazy. That's a good problem to have, that you don't have the time to reply to all of them. So yeah, let's have a look at what kind of campaign was this. So let's have a look at the flow. So all these things, warm up steps like visiting profile, liking recent posts, commenting through AI on people's posts, sending AI connection requests, sending messages. All of these things were in this campaign. Let's have a quick look at the connection request. If you need more of this, we could have a call 101 call to figure out how well we could use this platform to help you. So yeah, let's configure this with AI. Let's set the tone to warm, formality to be professional, approach to be diplomatic, focus to be relational, intention, call to action should be subtle, personalization. Yeah. Okay, would love to. So yeah, these are some of my personalized guidelines. The good thing with Cindy is it can engage with the recent activity of the person. So basically, let's say your lead has posted in the last couple of weeks. So Cindy will take that person's profile and account along with the recent post or something that the person has done in the recent times, and will engage with that. Basically, it will mention it in the message itself. So, it's like a warm hug to that person. So yeah, we don't want it to be a black box. So let's click on generate example. Now the AI is taking every single thing, every single configuration that we have used in account, and it's creating a message. This is a very, it's a default company and a default name that we have put in the backend. In actuality, it works like a charm. So yeah, John enjoyed your post on AI's role in marketing. So you see the amount of personalization that's in this message. Scale Global, let's say that's the person's company. Scale Global's work with brands is fascinating. So the thing is, Cindy has also analyzed the company's profile. Cindy knows what the company does. I'd love to learn more about the value you're building. Anjana. So that's how Cindy works. And it is bound to get this message is bound to get accepted into the inbox of the person. Now we have a lot of safety guardrails. We have a lot of amazing things on this platform, which I could show you. But for that, I would love to get on a call with you, because, well, that's how it works. And if you want to actually see how I generated, so I think a couple of weeks ago, I was able to generate more than 170 leads just on my own account in a span of 3 weeks. So I have a video for that too. Click here, click at the right top of the screen to check out that video as well. And well, yeah, again, if you want to see the, see the results, these are right here. You could also track your whole team's outreach right on Cindy itself. So, if you see, I almost have, if you see yesterday. So basically I have at least 25 new messages every single day, September 17. So this keeps on going on. And I could check everyone's outreach. I could reply through them. I could, manage my whole company's outreach, my whole sales team's outreach right through here. There are a lot more things, in this platform. You could track all the leads like a CRM. You could, check what action has been going on. So, for example, you don't really need to go to LinkedIn. You could just check everything right here. Along with that, you could check the campaign activity, at what time, what went, what did not go. And the amazing thing is that Cindy's AI has been trained to a human level that it's super diplomatic. It would never hamper your reputation. It would never criticize someone on the internet. It would never comment or send a message that a sane person wouldn't do. So basically, all of these things combined, I think it makes like a perfect platform. And we are coming up with a newer version very, very soon. A version that would have even more, even more steps, even more AI first steps, an AI lead list builder, an AI campaign creator. Basically, you wouldn't even have to touch the platform at all. So, yeah, that's what we are building. But yeah, along with this, we have our own chatbot, and these are real humans. This is the only thing in Cindy which is not AI. These are real humans. Whenever you're stuck with the platform, you just send us a message, and one of us would always be available 24/7 to help you out on that. So, well, yeah, I have like 500 conversations on my intercom with this. So, yeah, this helps out pretty well. Now, you can book a free strategy session with me or my co-founder at Cindy. Once you decide to use this, once you decide to get some results out of this, and that would be genuine analysis. That's not really a sales pitch. I actually enjoy analyzing people's profiles. Even if you see my own profile, I feel I have optimized it to a level that it works out pretty well for me. I have more than 7,000 followers just because of Cindy. When I started using Cindy, when I was building Cindy, I had like 2,000 followers. With the help of Cindy itself, now I have more than 7,000. Every request that I send most probably gets accepted in a couple of days, maybe 3 or 4 days. And I really want only serious businesses who want actual systematic lending growth to reach out to me. Thank you so much for going through all of this, going through the complete video, watching me through the end. Would love to get in contact with you. And yeah, there are some suggestions I think on the screen right now. Please do have a look on them. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.